The winter season is approaching. It's a season when a lot of people have problems with dryness of their skin, which can lead to more pigmentation, which can lead to more sensitivity of the skin and it causing growths like small rashes or acne on the skin. To prevent this, there are multiple options that are available now that help rejuvenate your skin from within. In this video, we'll be talking about all of these. Hi, I'm Dr. Saumil Shah. I'm a plastic surgeon practicing in Mumbai in Borivali West. I'm the director of plastic surgery at Skin Zone Aesthetics in Mumbai. So there is a category of injections which are known as skin boosters. Now what are these? Basically, you have to understand how the skin is. The skin is in layers. These are the upper layers and the lower layer, the epidermis and the dermis. In this dermis, there is something what is called as hyaluronic acid. This hyaluronic acid is naturally present in our skin, which helps in retaining water. It's hygroscopic and it keeps the water content of the skin intact. With age and genetically in some people, this hyaluronic acid is less or decreases with age. Because it decreases, the water retention capacity of the skin goes down. What these skin boosters are basically hyaluronic acids that we inject into this dermis area or probably a little lower. What it helps with is it naturally retains the water that is there in your skin so that it acts like an internal moisturizer. So if you're someone who has a lot of issue with dryness, especially in the winter seasons, skin boosters are a good thing that you can use, which can work for 4 to 6 months, and it can help tide over this dryness especially and make your skin look much more firmer and not dry and wrinkly in these winter months. There is another component of injections which are known as collagen boosters. Now, what is collagen? You would have heard about this a lot when you go to any therapist, you go to get any treatment done, they will always talk about boosting your collagen. Now, collagen is basically the building block of this dermis. What it does is basically it is like a fiber like that. So it's not in a block, but our skin is like fibers intermingled with each other, and these are collagen fibers. With time, this collagen, the amount, the thickness, the quality starts going down. Because of this, the skin becomes thinner, you start developing fine wrinkles, it starts losing its elasticity, its rigidity, its feel of being like a good skin, which decreases the glow, which causes more dryness, which increases your fine wrinkles. To compensate for this, there are some things what are called as skin collagen boosters. What these collagen boosters help with is basically improving the quality of your skin, because it improves what the skin is made up of. So yes, it's again something that you can think of if you're starting to have fine wrinkles and you don't have other major problems with your skin. Lastly, there's something new in the market, something that a lot of people are excited about, which are called as exosomes. These are nothing but chemicals that come in small spherical balls, microscopic balls, which when we inject are released over there, which are growth factors that help improve the overall area by different depending on which kind of exosomes are used. These are again helpful for overall collagen development, glow and hydration depending on the type of exosomes that are used. So in this video, we have spoken about 3 things: skin boosters, collagen boosters and exosomes. In the next video, where we look at repairing skin from within, we'll be talking about things like vampire facials or PRP, your nanofat and SPF. So do tune into our next video. Until then, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below or give us a call.